Hey everybody, I'm Veljko and welcome to another Lexus video where I will make the rear of my Lexus even more aggressive, and that has to do with the diffuser at the back. Now there are those popular IS250 diffusers that are like big and pronounced, but I find them tacky. I'm gonna show you a picture how they look. To me, it doesn't fit to this car. It makes the car look more cheap, like it's a Toyota or something. It's just my personal taste. So what I did is I bought a less discreet diffuser. I mean, it's not a diffuser, it's just fins. And I'm gonna install them. It's not gonna be pronounced, but it's gonna be improved. Like when you look at it on the road, it's gonna be noticeable. I'm gonna put the fins like here in this part. I already laid out what you need for installation, and of course the fins, the Scotch tape, I don't know how that's called, some measurement to measure the distance between the fins, and scissors. So that's about it. I forgot how much this costed me, like I think 10 euros. I need to check on my phone. I'm gonna show you a picture. So yeah, I bought them a long time ago, but I was waiting for a nice day to install, and yep, today is the day, so I can't wait. I'm so excited. So again, it's not gonna be pronounced, but on the road when you see it, it's gonna look a bit cooler than before. As you can see, I have 4 fins, and I bought the with the curved surface. You can buy with the flat surface if you want, if it fits your car. But to me, on my Lexus, the curved one is actually perfect. It's not gonna be easy. I have to now, most of my time is gonna be just measuring the distances between them and mark with the Scotch tape. So I think the adhesive tape is gonna hold it very well. I don't think there's gonna be any air resistance or something to make them fly away. And my car is not low, so it's not gonna hit. Even if it hits, I mean, these are pretty cheap. And after half an hour of me crouching, I certainly need a massage after this. But you can see I marked now. Now I had a bit of difficulty because you have to measure and calculate, because you can't just put this fins anywhere. Like if I put here, this one is gonna be floating in air, right? Like I don't want that. So I made a compromise of both. Like I'm gonna put in the places where it's mostly sticking. It's not gonna be perfect, of course. I mean, I expected that. I'm gonna cover the whole surface here so that it doesn't fly off. Now the reason why I'm not putting here is I saw that it's gonna float in the air a bit. So it's not ideal, but I think 1/2 is gonna hold it properly. I mean, it's not a heavy object that it needs to have that. Okay. Let me try one last time. Yep, looks good. I need to make it sure that it goes straight, not like this or this. Okay, I'm confident. All right, let me aim first. All right, looks good. This one looks good. Yep. Okay, one is done. I'm gonna push. Yeah, it looks very strong. And I'm gonna come back to you when I install all four. You saw the method, so no need to show for the rest. And it's all done. I'm gonna peel off these markers. I don't know if you can see it properly, but I love it. Damn, it looks so good actually. The more I look at it, the more I'm beginning to love it. I like how, because of this plastic here, this black part of the bumper, it looks like it's a part of a diffuser. Like this is a diffuser. So actually it's better than how I expected to look. And they're more pronounced. I thought they're not gonna be seen very well, but actually it really stands out. Maybe they're a bit too much now, like they're a bit too low, but hey, it makes the car look lower as well. So, by the way, for those of you wondering where's my tint on the taillights, I took off the matte black tint because I wanted to try with the glossy black tint. I think it's gonna look better. But back to the diffuser, man, it so looks better. On the road it's gonna be more pronounced than here. Of course, they don't sit flush to the plastic, but they're very sturdy. They're not gonna go anywhere. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know how it looks to you, and stay tuned for more Lexus videos. Take care.